So, if you're anything like me, you're probably looking into getting a new outdoor pizza oven. I got the Ooni CROWDCOW. I had a family get-together coming up. I was supposed to go to my in-laws' house. I told them we could make wood-fired pizzas, so I bought the oven and the ingredients. But I forgot a few key things you're going to need to use the oven. So this is my list of top 5 accessories you're going to need if you're getting an outdoor pizza oven. So I totally forgot, so I think of them one at a time. I was trying to find them at my local grocery store or my local hardware and grocery stores. I couldn't, so I had to order them off Amazon. Then as I would think of more stuff, I'd have to order more stuff. And now I finally have the top 5 accessories for your outdoor pizza oven. So let's go through the things that you're gonna need. So first of all, the first thing I didn't think of, first thing I came across was, I need a peel. So I got a turning peel off Amazon. I'm not sure what brand this is, but this is so when your pizzas are in the oven, you can turn them because the fire is going to be in the back. You want to turn them so you can get each side of the oven successfully. So I ordered this, thinking perfect. Now I have a pizza peel. But unfortunately, you can't put the pizzas in the oven with this peel because they're too big. So the next thing after I got this, I had to order another item and then wait a couple days to get it. So what I realized that I needed was a launching peel. So you're gonna put your flour on this so you can slide it in the oven, and when it's done, you can get it out. So I got this 12-inch one off Amazon. I think it was about $25. I will have links to all these items. They're affiliate links, so if you're looking if you like any of these items and want to just buy them when you get your oven, I have the links in there for you. They are affiliate links, so they do help out the channel if you use them. This one folds and came with a storage packet. The reason I got this one, it was this Moose company. I'll have a link. It came with this pizza cutter too. So I figured if I'm going to get the peel, this was only a couple dollars more. I think this whole setup was like $27, and now I can get my pizzas in and out of the oven. The next thing that I forgot that I didn't quite think of is I was going to need fuel for my oven. I didn't really have any wood chips or wood chunks sitting around. I didn't want to just use charcoal. So again, I went back to Amazon and got these. Oh, let's see if I can get them open. So I had to go back to Amazon to get my fuel. So I found these are by Boca Barrow Premium Cooking Wood. Now these are oak. I didn't have any hardwood or feel like going to the store to kind of find it. So these come pre-cut to fit in the back of your oven. They're oak. You get 6 to 8 pounds or 520 cubic inches. They smell good. I will have a link to Amazon on those. So far we got 1, 2, 3 things I didn't think of when I got my Ooni. Now the next one, after getting the wood, I'm like watching people make these videos and how am I supposed to light this stuff? So I got these little tumbleweed fire starters, which are all natural. You don't want to use any lighter fluid because you don't want the taste coming off in your pizza at the end. And these are just all natural. Feels like they're maybe covered in wax. So you can stick these after you build your little fire in the back of your oven, and then I'll get your wood started. I'll put a link to these in there. So these I actually was able to find at my grocery store. Didn't have to go back to Amazon for a next try. The next thing I got was this brush. We're gonna have a lot of people making a lot of pizzas. So after you're done making your pizza, you're gonna have a lot of flour left over on the bottom of the pizza stone. So you're going to want to brush. This one I got off Amazon again, comes with a scraper, and you can brush all your crumbs off the pizza oven. And last but not least, I was going to somebody's house and I didn't want to have to try to maneuver this in the car because it is kind of awkward without having to take it all apart. So I found another great accessory. This is a carrying case that I picked up off Amazon. They said I'm not sure who makes it, but Comes in 2 separate pieces. One for your chimney, which you're going to slide your chimney in there. The other one, you fold the legs up on your oven. It just goes right in here. So then, instead of having to manage that thing around, you're going to have your chimney in this bag, your Ooni oven in this bag. The chimney just going to go right on top of the bag, and you'll be able to carry it. So overall, these are all things that I did not originally think of when I wanted to go to my in-laws' house and make a Ooni pizza for the first time. So hopefully this video will help you out, making sure you have all the right accessories for your Ooni pizza oven. So your turner, your peel, your carrying case, and your fuel. Good luck cooking.